Buying a home is one of the biggest decisions of your life, but most people go in blind, overwhelmed, overpaying, and unsure where to even start. Ficustree changes that. Meet Nadi. She is a family of 4 with 2 kids and a dog, working near Palo Alto but unable to afford living there. Instead of scrolling through hundreds of listings, she just asks, in plain English, like she is talking to a friend who knows everything about Bay Area real estate. Ficus instantly understands what she actually needs: good schools, safe streets, and a reasonable commute. It recommends specific neighborhoods and specific zip codes with real school ratings and safety data. No fluff, no generic advice, just answers. When she is ready to see homes, she just tells Ficus her budget and must-haves. A backyard for the dog, near a park, on a quiet street, under $2 million. Within seconds, she sees 3 properties, each with a match score tied directly to her criteria. Not an algorithm's guess, her life. Click into any home and you get everything: photos, financials, neighborhood data, and a personal AI guide right on the page. The mortgage calculator runs real numbers, and a 5-step journey tracker shows you exactly where you are in the process. The neighborhood view gives you lifestyle scores: walkability, transit, active living, and education, with every nearby school, park, cafe, and clinic mapped and measured. Filter by schools, filter by food, filter by health and safety. See what daily life actually looks like before you ever visit. The AI also answers questions like, what kind of buyer is this home best for? With genuine depth. Ready to see it in person? Book up to 3 tour slots directly on your dashboard by selecting your preferred dates and times. Need to change something? Just tell Ficus to add or modify a slot for you. Once confirmed, Ficus preps you for the visit with a personalized tour checklist, detailing exactly what to ask, what to inspect, and the financial red flags to watch for. Potential HVAC replacement, aging roof, asbestos risk from the 1956 build year. Things most buyers only find out after they have signed. This is what home buying should feel like: informed, confident, on your side. Oh, and one last thing. Thanks for watching. Close with Ficustree, and we'll make sure up to 2% of the purchase price comes right back to you at closing. Guaranteed. Let's get you home.